Today I'll be showing you how to use the American Clearinghouse website to run just a basic count, purchase, and download a mailing list. Let's get started from the home page by clicking Counts Mailing Lists. Now this presents us with a page that shows all of the different database options that we have to choose from. We'll be using the consumer list for this demonstration. I'll click Start Count. Now the first step is to select the area that we're interested in. There's several options available to do this, and some of the more advanced options are going to be covered in separate videos. But in this case, I'll be doing just a simple zip code selection. So I'll do that by clicking the zip code button. Now on this screen, you can just start hand entering zip codes if you know what they are, very simply, or you can use the lookup option, and this allows you to search for zip codes by city or county name. And then further drilling down on the city and state that I'm interested in, and it shows me all the zip codes available. I will just select a few here at random. Clicking the Apply button takes me back to the previous screen, and those zip codes that I selected have been filled in for me automatically. If I click the Apply button again, now it takes me back to the geography page, showing me that I now have one selection of zip codes and the zip codes that I've selected. Now I can click the Update Count link to very quickly get just a total household count in that area. 42,737 available. If I click Continue, it takes me to the next step in the process, which is to further target our list by using demographic selections. We can do that by clicking the Add Selection button, choosing a selection from the list, and as you can see there are several to pick from. I'll start by just doing a basic age selection. If you look at the operators that we have, there's equals, do not equal to, greater than, less than or equal to, between, and I believe we'll do a between, say 45 and 65 years of age. Click Apply. Takes us back to that demographic selection screen, only now we see that we have one selection added to our count. Let's go ahead and add one more. This time I will choose household income. That presents me with the possible values. And I will choose 60,000 and greater. Click Apply. And we see both selections here on our count. Now if we hit Update Count again, now our count's gone down to 12,059 households. So now if I click Continue, it takes me to the List Options page, and this just shows several options about this count, and the first of which is a name that you can assign to this count. If you want to refer back to it, give it a more meaningful name, click Apply. And there's several other options here, like for example multi-use. If you turn that on, that gives you the option to use the downloaded file more than once. Of course, that adjusts the price, limiting it to one record per house or per address. By default, that's always on. And then suppression options, those will be covered in a separate video. And last but not least is the download option. If I click Change on that, we can pick the output file format. We choose between comma separated, DBF, and Excel. I'll choose Excel here and click Apply. So now that I've got all of my options set just the way I want, I'm ready to go ahead and add this to my cart and make a purchase. So I'll click the Add to Cart button. Just agree to the terms. Now it's showing me my shopping cart and the list that I've built with the number of records that I ended up with, the extended price, the selections that I used. So I'll go ahead and choose checkout. It takes me to the checkout screen where I have the option to enter in all my billing information. I'll be leaving that blank for the purposes of the video. I click place order. Now it's processed the order, and if I used a credit card, it would have at this point charged the card, and it's now working to build that list according to the selections that I made. And as you can see, it automatically turned into a link that's showing me that my list is now done and ready to be downloaded. At the same time, you'll also be receiving an email notification telling you again that your list is ready. So if I click this link, presented with the option to download the zip file. I'll open that real quick. And there you are. There's your Excel file that has all the names and addresses that are in that list, and just a little layout file that shows you the fields that are available in that list. And that's it. So that shows you how to run through just a simple count and purchase a mailing list. So be sure to check out our other videos demonstrating some of the more advanced features that we have available. Thank you.